Want to create stylish low-poly trees in Blender fast? Today, I'll show you the ultimate workflow using the Skin Modifier. Let's dive in. First, enable the Extra Objects add-on and add a Single Vert. Simply extrude it to grow your trunk and branches. Keep it simple. Nature isn't perfect. Now, the magic part. Add a Skin Modifier. It looks chunky at first, right? Hit Ctrl A in Edit mode to scale the thickness of your branches and taper the tips. For the leaves, we're using an Ico Sphere. Set the subdivisions to 1 to keep that sharp, low-poly aesthetic. Duplicate them and place them around your branches. Give it some quick colors. A nice earthy brown for the wood and a vibrant green for the leaves. Add a subdivision surface after the Skin Modifier if you want it smoother. And there you go! A perfect low-poly tree in no time. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more Blender tips. Happy blending!